My name is Josh Richardson, and our company is Smooth Dudes. Speaking on behalf of the board of directors for Smooth Dudes, we just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch our presentation. We know your time is very valuable, but we believe our company is going to be well worth your time, and by the time at the end of this presentation, we hope that you're excited to invest in a revolutionary business. Smooth Dudes is a California-based business, and we are based out of Los Angeles. Our team is dedicated to the mission of saving men from the pain, expense, and the inconvenience of shaving. Smooth Dudes is a facial hair removal cream and is absolutely the best on the market. We will prove this to you. But more importantly, we want to prove to you that Smooth Dudes is a great, profitable investment for our investors. As we look at the industry, the shaving facial hair removal industry is growing. And last year in 2017, it had a revenue value of over $880 million. And in this industry, we believe that Smooth Dudes is the first of its kind. There's many ways to eliminate hair, and Smooth Dudes has been tested and proven that it will eliminate hair and leave this face smooth. The chart on the right, it shows the opportunity, and just highlighting a couple things on this slide. 75% of men shave every day. A couple other things on this slide. 3% of men who don't shave is because they don't care to do so. And then 85% of men who shave prefer a wet shave. And then total amount of U.S. men 15 years or older who remove hair is 94 million men. And the total amount of men worldwide who use a razor blade to shave is 1.3 billion. So we can see that the market is big, and it's only growing. It's a great time to invest and to continue to thrive in a rapidly growing market. And as a person who has tried many different ways to remove the hair from my face is very, very sensitive. I've tried different kind of razors. I've even tried laser hair removal on my face. I took about 5 different treatments and spent thousands of dollars, and it didn't work, and I'm back shaving and my face is irritated. And so I'm very passionate about this company, and we believe that this company is going to revolutionize how males eliminate hair from their face. The product, it's faster and it saves time by avoiding the repetitive process of shaving. It gets rid of the process of shaving altogether. Smooth Dudes is derived from an all-natural ingredient that work with the body to not only remove facial hair, but it discourages further hair growth. These ingredients provide a smooth and a soothing alternative to harsher hair removal methods, which, as we know, we can see from different studies that razors cause razor burn, cuts, there's irritation, and we can avoid all these side effects. Smooth Dudes leaves the user with both the feeling and look of confidence that is expected in today's world. The male grooming market has increased over the years and is projected to continue. With Smooth Dudes in the playing field, the only option is success. The market is booming. There is a constant need to maintain and control men's hair. Smooth Dudes is able to satisfy that need. This chart shows the estimated size of the men's grooming market from 2012 to 2024, and you can just see how much it is continuing to grow, and it shows the need for this product. And I just want to point out there are There are a lot of different razors out there competing in that market. In fact, we've seen new companies come about that is a subscription-based shaving company that they just send razors month after month after month. And we believe we're going to revolutionize that business, and we're going to turn the razor shaving company upside down. As we look at the competitors, there's really not a direct competitor for us. The closest competitor would be the razor companies. There's no other cream out there that has been tested and proven to actually remove the hair from the face. There's companies out there that you can try, but they haven't been proven and tested. But as you can see by this chart, there's not a lot of competition other than the razor companies. Okay, our growth strategy. Our growth first is to continue to increase our market share. We're looking at expanding into new markets. This will be done by gaining new customers from men who have been using other hair removal products, and as well as men who shave. I think it's a very high rate of men who actually do not want to shave, and are looking for other methods, such as I was looking for other methods. In fact, spending thousands of dollars to try laser hair removal. Other hair removal creams pale in comparison to our Smooth Dudes cream, thereby really opening a new market to men who have tried creams before but went back to shaving because they actually didn't work. Our 5-year strategy will increase sales, develop new products, and allow exit options for our investors through the sales of shares. Funding going forward is revenue driven and is expected to increase in fourth quarter due to heavy holiday sales and promotion. Our modest estimate of our growth for investors is 10 times. We will build brand awareness and establish a Smooth Dudes social culture. Hair removal cream will be our founding product, and then from there we'll build on that quality reputation. Smooth Dudes will continue as an e-commerce business. We are selling directly to our customers through our website, and then we are going to seek to increase our traffic through social media advertising. We believe social media advertising right now is just a booming way of gaining market share. If we can get our brand awareness out on social media and have some marketing campaigns through those social media outlets, then we can build a huge customer base for Smooth Dudes, which also, looking back on the razor subscription models, we are going to implement a subscription business model on ours, where for a monthly fee we will be offering every month to re-subscribe and build our business that way. As we look at our management team, we are comprised of a great variety of passionate management team. We have individuals that have an array of skills, and because of these skills, we have a trail of success, and we believe we are only destined for success. Some of our traits that I'll go through real quick. Joseph Craven, who's our Chief Executive Officer, he has networking skills which actually formed this team in the first place. Then we have Dan, and he has a great marketing experience. He's built on the marketing side of things. He's our Chief Marketing Officer. Alyssa's organization leadership skills as our president of the company. And then Beth's financial savvy is unmatched to anybody. And then we have Spencer, who is our Chief Technical Officer, and his IT is phenomenal. And then I'm Josh, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer. I've built branches of businesses up to millions of dollars in revenue, from zero to millions of dollars. We are very motivated, we're excited, and we're very passionate about this business, and we only want to build it and grow and make this a very profitable business. Our development timeline. So in December, here's our timeline. We want to make sure that every milestone on our journey is a milestone to an exit option for all of our owners and investors. Our first priority after funding will be an e-commerce development, which includes improving our web and data servers. In January, we will see us implementing effective marketing research and growth strategies. We will also be developing at that time our social culture, and that's going to be tied in right into our marketing campaign. And then by October 2019, we'll have completed our research and development of the product line expansion, and possibly entering additional markets with other kind of creams and lotions and products like that. And then within 5 years, we're shooting for an exit strategy with a merger, acquisition, or IPO. So that's our timeline for the company, which we're really excited about. Okay, our last slides, what we need the cash for, which is very important to investors. What we're asking for and what we need is $1 million in investment. Our packaging and our facility needs, we found a very low-cost facility, and we've got low cost in our packaging side. So that part of it is very low, and it's simple to produce, and we can keep that cost very low. Our biggest need is the marketing side. This is where we need to get the brand name out, get our culture, get people buzzing about what a great product this is, and get our social campaign, social media campaign out there. It honestly is a better, healthier way to remove facial hair, and that's going to be the bulk of what our investment, where your investment's going to go to, is the marketing side. And a great table here shows you the sources of money, and then what those uses are going to be for. As you can see through this presentation, we have built an absolute great product. We have the management team in place. We're very passionate. We would love to have you on our team. We would love to have you as an investor, and our sole priority will be making sure that this business is profitable and that your investment money is taken care of and put to good use. We believe that you can have the peace of mind that we're gonna build this business to a multi-million dollar company, and we'll have an exit strategy for you to get your money back and to be profitable with us. We're excited. We appreciate your time, and as always, if you have any questions, if you want to meet the rest of the team, we can set up meetings, and our whole team is just very excited to be a part of this, and we're excited to have you as an investor as well. Thank you.